everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm using my Mia Secret Nail Prep Dehydrator, and I'm also going to be using my NSI Super Bond Primer to fix this nail that was broken at work. Yes, it was a nasty break, but I didn't get any bleeder this time, so that's a plus. Okay, so that's the nail after being, done. And now I'm going to come in with my file, my 100 grit file from Beauty Secret, and I'm going to be doing a beautiful chrome on my pinkies today. I'm going to be doing it on both pinkies because I got this wonderful set of chrome powders from Imethodbeauty. I will leave the link for it in the description below. The top coat and base coat I'm going to be using are from my LEAFU set that I got from Modelones, and I will leave a link for those also in the description. I'm going to be using these little makeup sponges that they provided in the kit. I did a whole unboxing, I just don't know why it didn't show up, but here I am applying the beautiful pink color. And normally when I have chrome powders, they don't work for me, but this one, as you can see, I just opened it and I'm just going to town on my nails, and look at that. Isn't that fantastic? It just turned out really beautiful. And what I'm doing now is adding my top coat, and I'm gonna put that in the lamp for 2 minutes so I can get it fully dried and everything will be on point. And then I'm going to move on to my finger on my opposite hand, which is the blue one. So I'm going to be using the blue chrome powder. First thing I want to start out with is the base coat. So this is what is used to hold the chrome on your nails. So if you have a really awesome base coat, then your chrome powder will adhere to your nails. If not, get yourself a Model 1's base coat and top coat because they work. I've used other base coat and top coat before and they did not stick. I tried Model 1's and bam, girls, y'all see this? You'll see this, right? Yes, my chrome powders be sticking on my nails. I'm over here looking on fleek. Yes, I love fleek. I love to say on fleek, guys. That's my word. That's my go-to word. Because, we have to look on fleek or else we're going to be losing. We can't be losing. Look how beautiful that chrome turned out. And then I'm going to be using it on this trainer finger because I only had 2 fingers and it was 3 powders. So I'm just using this other trainer finger to, enhance the other color. And this one turned out looking like glass to me. I just think they all came out beautiful, and I hope you enjoy my little short video because I didn't want to take up too much of your time. I just wanted to do a real quick, unboxing, but that part didn't show. So it's a real quick review of this product. So if you're not yet, subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and do so now and hit the bell as well, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, and I will see you in my next video. And thank you for watching. Always remember to be fly like Regina Nails Be Fly. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.